Hi friends, my name is Rishi. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Okay, before starting the video, let me introduce myself. I did my graduation in mechanical engineering way back in 2009 and right now working as a marine engineer in ships for the last around 8 years. Okay. So, with this video, we are going to start our class 11 physics. Before starting the video, let me thank all of you who have shown keen interest in watching my videos. Hope all of you are ready with a notebook and a pen in your hand. So, shall we start? Yeah. So, my dear friends, let's start with the chapter number 2, units and measurement. See, in our day-to-day life, we are measuring so many quantities, right? We are measuring length, we are measuring mass, we are measuring time, etc. So, whatever be the quantity we are measuring, the most important thing that we must have is a reference. Let me explain it with an example. Let us take length. Okay. In this case, only if you know how much is 1 meter, you can calculate anything, right? Only if you know 1 meter, you can calculate how much is 1 kilometer or how much is 1 centimeter and how much is 1 millimeter, etc. So we can consider meter as the reference. Okay. Similarly, when we take mass, let the base be kilogram. Only if you know how much is 1 kilogram, you can find out how much is 1 gram, 1 milligram, etc. Now, let us take another example, time, and let it be seconds. Only if you know how much is 1 second, you know how much is 1 meter, 1 minute, 1 hour, etc. And there is another set of system where the base unit of the length is foot and the base of the mass is pound and the base of the time is second only. And there is another system where the base is centimeters, for the mass it is gram, and for the time here also it is second. So here the most important thing is that we must have a reference, and whatever quantity we are measuring, we are actually comparing that quantity with our base. The name of this system is MKS, the first letters of these three base units. This is FPS and this is CGS. So in MKS system, meter, kilogram, seconds, these three are the reference for length, mass and time respectively. So here these three units are called base or fundamental units. Base or fundamental units. And all other units that we are deriving from these units, for example kilometer, gram, 1 minute, 1 hour, etc., they are all called derived units. They are called derived units. So let me tell you a interesting thing here. In MKS system, meter is a fundamental unit, or it is a base unit, while the same meter, when it comes to CGS system, it is a derived unit. Why? Here centimeter is the base unit. Okay, and the system of units, that is base plus derived, they are called system of units. Hope you have understood what is base unit, what is derived unit, and what is this system of units. And there is one more important thing. There is a system which is accepted internationally. Okay, it is this system which is accepted internationally, and so this is also called SI units. SI stands for System International. Okay, so in the SI unit, the base for length is meter, for mass is kilogram, for time is second. Apart from these three, there are few more units. For amount of substance, it is mole, which of course you will be coming across in chemistry. And for current, our electric current, it is ampere. For temperature, it is Kelvin. For intensity, the intensity of light, your sunlight, your bulb, etc., it is measured in candela. Apart from these 7, we have 2 more units which are of not that much in common use. They are plane angle and solid angle. Okay, as the name suggests, plane angle comes in a 2D figure and solid angle comes for 3D figure. Let me explain this plane angle first. Suppose we have a circle. Okay, this is the center of that circle of radius r. Suppose there is an angle theta. Okay, so this angle theta is subtending an arc here. Okay, let the length of that arc be L. In this case, theta is equal to this length of the arc divided by radius of the circle, and theta is measured in radians. Okay, there are 2 units to measure angle. One is degree and another is radian. Here theta is measured in radians. There is a conversion of how to convert this degree into radians, which I will be telling you right now after this solid angle. Now coming to this solid angle, as I have told you, this is a 3D. Okay, so you need a little bit imagination. Suppose you just consider that you have a cone ice cream in your hand. Okay, and let me draw it here. You have a cone of your cone ice cream in your hand. All of you know that this is a circle, and let the area of this circle be A. Okay, and let this distance be R. So this angle, okay, this angle, I am not saying it in a 2D manner, I am saying it as a 3D figure. Okay, you have to imagine this angle. This phi is equal to area divided by R square. Okay, this is R square, this is only R, this is R square. Okay, and this is actually measured in steradians. While this is measured in radian, this is measured in steradians. This is plane angle and this is solid angle. These two are also a part of SI unit, but they are not that commonly used. So, how to convert theta into radians? All of you know, one full circle means 360 degree, right? 360 degree is equal to 2 pi radians. Here you can take the value of pi as 22/7, that is 44/7 radians. Okay, this is the conversion factor. And you know what is 1 minute? 1 minute is 1/60 of 1 degree. So that is 44/7 into 1/60 radians. And what is 1 second? 1/60 of 1 minute. That is 44/7 into 1/60 into 60 radians. Don't get confused with the minute and the second in your clock. Yes, I agree the words are the same, but one minute is 1/60 of 1 degree. Okay, you know how much is 1 degree. In your protractor, you can easily see how much is 1 degree. 1 minute is 1/60 of that 1 degree, and 1 second is 1/60 of 1 minute. Okay, so that's it. Let's call it a day. And before winding up, let's have a very quick recap. Okay, so what all things we have studied today? We have studied that to measure anything we need a reference. We studied there are 3 types of systems, which are all the MKS, FPS, CGS, and you can easily understand which are all the base units in these 3 systems. And we have studied what is base, what is derived, and what is system of units. Which one of these 3 is the SI system? What are the other units that are coming in the SI system? What is plane angle and what is the solid angle? And what is the conversion, how the conversion is done from theta to radian. So this is what we have studied till now. Okay. So dear friends, if you are finding that my classes are useful and you can understand what I am teaching you, please give me a like. Please subscribe to my channel. Please share this video and channel among your friends. And most importantly, if you have any complaint, you are always free to put the dislike button. And if you are doing so, please let me know why it is so. Because that is the only way I can improve myself. So, see you in the next video. Until then, Rishi signing off. Bye. Take care. Jai Hind.